Hello everyone, this is again Rashid Khan from RMK Services. So I was doing SEO from our products from a couple of days, so I thought it would be a good idea to share some basic practical SEO implementation with you guys. But before getting started, let me clear something to you people. Most of the comments and DMs I received, people are kept saying, why not you prepare lectures step by step? So look, this channel is not related to any institute, nor am I interested in preparing and giving step-by-step lectures. Why? Because I have my own business and I have to deal with my own clients, so I hardly take out some time to make those videos which I personally stuck in, and then after doing some hard work I had their solutions. My point is that I don't want other people to be stuck in the same problem like me, so that's why I make videos. The videos which I record is mainly on real time and practical stuff, especially for those who are stuck in a specific part related to my field, so my videos will help them out. But if you guys are saying that feed us in a spoon, so I'm sorry, it's not possible for me. You have to think out of the box. So let's stop this discussion. So let's guys dive into it. So first of all, we have to head over to our WordPress. If you don't, you have definitely a website linked with your own server, via it's a Hostinger or any third-party server. So just open it, your WordPress, and then just go down to the products and then click on all products, and it will be opened in the next window. There I will show you some products which I had, and we have to do some SEO for the optimization. But how you can do the SEO, first I will just show you the plugin which I had installed, Yoast SEO. You probably know about it because it's very common SEO tool. Most of the people use this tool for their SEO because it gives you a lot of benefits. So how you can install it, just go to plugins and click on add new, and then there you have to put name for it, Yoast SEO, and there it is, 27,595 5-star ratings, and you already know about it, so I don't have to do some background information about this. So just install it, simple, and then click on the SEO. Just hover your cursor on it and then go to general, and it will guide you step by step. After you install it, it will guide you to the completion of the tool. So then there are some changes which you have to do. I had already installed it, I had already integrated, so I don't have to do other stuff. So what we have to do, just click on settings. After getting on settings, let's do some stuff. So first of all, you have to enable this feature, SEO analysis, because if you didn't enable this, it can't analyze your website or products according to the Google search engine. And then enable this, and then left these because it's a premium package. So then click on site basics, and you have to fill these type of informations. Got it? And then site representation, I will discuss this later on. It is a little bit of advanced level, so I will discuss it later on. But today's video is not related to site basics or site representation. What is site connection? It is the advanced level of some SEO, so I will discuss this later on. I will not mess up all these things in just one video. So let's focus on our products SEO. Yes, so first of all, click on products and then click on all products. I've already opened. So then the Yoast SEO will show you some two bars, which is red and black. So this is focus key phrase not set, and this means not available. Which is not available? Readability score. So it will score each and every product, depends on their description, depends on their product's title and slugs. I will discuss later on what is slugs, how to can create meta titles, meta descriptions, so don't worry about that. First of all, we're gonna open a product. For example, this product, there it is. So what you can do, this is the title. You don't have to edit the title right here, okay? This is not the SEO meta title. Where is meta title? So you have to just drop down at the last, and there you can see the Yoast SEO plugin. They do not have any focus key phrase. So how you can add the focus key phrase, I will show you, but you can see the meta title. This is called meta title. These are descriptions, and this is slug, okay? So what is slug? Basically, a slug is the representation, a referral link or a referral sitemap to the product. Got it? And then there are some meta descriptions. So how you can add a meta description, I will show you. So what we have to do, you have to just copy the title here. You have to copy the title and just go to ChatGPT. So nowadays AI will help a lot more easier SEO optimization. So I have already saved my SEO prompt because I had adjusted a lot of product with the same prompt. So I have to just write, can we start? Look at this. Can we start products optimization? We start, because he already know about my products optimization because the prompt is already been integrated into it. Can we start products optimization? Let's see. So here it is. He also knows about it. So now we can give him the title is here, and then just click on the go. And don't worry, I will give you the chat gpt prompt in the description below, so you have to go and copy the prompt and just paste it in your chat gpt. It will start optimizing your product, so then you don't have to paste again and again. Just simply paste one time and then just give your product title and it will optimize it. So now you can see he gives us the product name, focus keywords, meta title, meta description, and slug. Now there are some restrictions in meta title, meta description. Not the restrictions, there are some rules that you have to implement to Yoast SEO. Focus keyword, he already gave 4 words, 1 2 3 4. It shouldn't increase 4 words. And then meta titles is okay, because it will, if it increase from 56 characters, it is not good. And meta description, I think it's okay, the limit is 156 characters. So just copy it and then hover over this page, drag down, and then paste focus key phrase, and then SEO title. Just copy the SEO title and then paste it here before this separator, okay? Because after this separator, it will be your site name. It is used for SEO optimization, so don't remove these two, okay? Got it? Don't remove these two. And then copy the description. This description is not the product description. I'm again saying this is not the product description. It will only show in the search engine. Like if someone write a product name, so the listing which shows up will have this product meta title and meta descriptions, the way you had put it in right here in the Yoast SEO or the Shopify advanced SEO tool. So most of the cases they are same like that, but it's not the product descriptions or product title. The product title is something different from it, okay? There is a product title here. There is, when the customer click on the product, so then it will redirect it to a website, and the website will show this product title will be showed to the customer. So now we have to just put the description here. Look at the bar. This bar show the product optimization. The green means it's definitely good. And then copy the slug and then paste it right here. And then what you have to do, you have to copy the focus key phrase and then click on the image and then edit alternative text, caption, and image title attribute. Paste the same focus key phrase in these three, okay? And then update, and then gradually do for all. I will just do it for all of them. So now all the products in the descriptions, their images are adjusted. So what we have to do, we have to just adjust the image of main page. Click on it and just paste it right here, and then set product image, and there you go. Our basic SEO optimization has been completed. So what customers will see in the search engine, customer will see this page right here. When the customer click on the product, so it will be redirected to our website and they will see this title, okay? So after editing this, you have to just go ahead and see the improvements right here. Where is the improvements? Click on the SEO analysis, and there they will see the improvements. Out of 12 images, 12 are alt attributes. So don't focus on these all. These are not that much necessary. What you have to do, you have to focus on this type of thing which I told you. So if you didn't fulfill all the rules, it's okay, it's not that much matter. Click on save and update, and there you go. Your product will be SEO optimized. It's not the advanced level. I will show you the advanced level, how you can do forum posting, backlinkings, and site mappings, how you can add products to the Google merchant accounts, and then how you can do bookmarkings and other stuff like that. So I will make videos later on. If this video helped you out, so please do subscribe to my channel and like it and share with your friends. It will definitely help you out. Thank you very much.